The internet said that this kitchen was fine before we got our hands on it. Original, dark, and boring 1990s.
You house renovators just make everything gray and white.
Haha, Karen. Now here's a touch of color for you. We're gonna get rid of this hideous thing and add some can lights next. Now, I don't want to hear anything about why did you do that after you got the kitchen cabinets painted. And the reason I don't want to hear it is because I have no idea. I messed up. It should have been done a while ago. I know. Let's get over it. Kitchen countertops have been measured out. Those should be coming in a couple weeks, which will allow us to do the backsplash. This project is actually moving along pretty good. Look at how many lights I pulled out of this little cavity up. How come people don't throw their stuff away? Why do you just hide it so the next guy finds it? Come on. And like magic, I shut the camera off and I had an electrician come in and take those lights off because we know they're the only ones capable of moving some wires. But here, check out what we found. Right where we want to have that light run, if you look right up in here in this cavity, couple half-inch copper pipes. It's doable, but would throwing up one individual light up there be better? We'll ask the boss, aka the home designer, which she's actually my wife too, so there's that. But until then, what do you guys think? Should we do one fun light there or two can lights?